Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we will give you information about Forensic Ph.D. program in PANJABI University. Here are some important dates which you have to go through.
Modalities for the Ph.D. entrance test, 2022 admission criteria. The admission to Ph.D. program during the academic session 2022-2023 will be on the basis of common entrance test conducted by PANJABI University, Patiala. The following category of candidates may be exempted from this entrance test. Candidates who have qualified UGC SIR NET JRF NET SLT Punjab State GATE GPAT examinations. The holders of teacher fellowships.
Direct awardees of fellowships from government agencies like DBT, DST, ICMR, ICAR, Inspire, NFSC, MANF. Students appointed in the project sponsored by these agencies are not exempted from entrance test. Foreign students sponsored by Government of India agencies like ICCR, Ministry of HRD, etc. And foreign students sponsored by their respective governments' embassies under UNDP. Other foreign students residing outside India, foreign passport holders, who wish to seek admission directly, without any sponsorship, to Ph.D. program. Applications. The candidate shall apply for admission to the Ph.D. program online at website given here. The application fee for the Ph.D. entrance test is Rs 2,000, Rs 1,400 for SC/ST candidates, for each subject.
Entrance test scheme. The question paper for the entrance test will consist of two sections. The Section A will consist of 50 multiple-choice questions of research methodology, and Section B will consist of 50 multiple-choice questions from the syllabus of the particular subject. Each question will carry 1 mark.
Syllabus for entrance test. The entrance test would be based on research methodology and core papers out of the current postgraduate syllabus and UGC NET SIR GATE syllabus of the respective subject of PANJABI University, Patiala. For further information regarding the syllabus, contact the concerned head of department or university website. Marking. There is no negative marking. Qualifying marks. The qualifying marks in the entrance test will be 50% for the Ph.D. program. A relaxation of 5% marks would be given to SC/ST physically handicapped candidates. Validity. The result of this entrance test will be valid up to the date of Ph.D. entrance test to be held after 2 years, that is 2024. However, the entrance test for Ph.D. program will be held every year. Place of test. Ph.D. entrance test will be held only at PANJABI University, Patiala campus. The center of examinations will be mentioned on the admit card. Here is the fee structure for the course. Here is the fee structure for foreign students. Thank you everyone for watching our video. For getting more updates, follow our channel. For any query related to any forensic topic or any entrance exam, comment us, and yes, don't forget to give feedback of our video. Thank you. Good luck.